and then so da foforo yemo akwa aba se wagibre na o hwe da video yi yemo bi akwa aba emfambra ben active so enti yamo akwa aba ya yagibre di na ese ye football ho nkomo ne ba bedi and nyoma ekos wo krum ha no asefem kakra so wacha ase enti eno ho nkomo ne ba bedi and so ewa ha ene nyoma mienu a yedi ho nkomo pa no Kumasi Asante Kotoko coach nsema wade tuja because empanifo fa no omo se omo bo CAF Communities Cup last year na emom this year omo ko bo Champions League omo ko fa coach obetima bo no waje but ono buy no free mu no wase Kotoko level any Communities Cup e be di ho nkomo e na afin so coach Ibrahim Grant say unya Blasters no betan coach and da bia meka say bia ye ni coach Blasters ye ni coach enu nti no beto sama back no be coach yem Blaster team no ntene ho nkomo ene nemum se on subscribe to the channel make sure so be subscribe o subscribe we pe no wa notification bell on so se be ya upload be ba bia won so ubenya bia hwene menemi nua Benjamin Osuantwi the Crusader Sports Crusader na ne etwe nkomo enso ewa ha menua me wa kwa aba
o mejo so Ricardo adum ti bibia e fan ye ho ye pa wa wo hwe the way smiles no way ni mu na kiro se bibia e fan and like you rightly indicated we are on a crusade anunti crusader no we are on a crusade to save Ghana football and Ghana sports eti no mamen kan we say ye kan bibia unse sometimes o kasa we are na amanfo bi atiesi wachi no mo didu atem ne cassette ya but enu de emoye hu enu ya de ba kwa me makase we have chosen hope over fear entina sometimes obi on ma ohun abontin say ya me tebo kasa na me kasa pani bi o pani bi ani tiri ho dwene bi da bi se wotina kire na wo hwe niam a ekoso wo ye game ni mu no ene kani bi ana ye wa kire no niam a na ekoso wo ye game no na de toto ene anamontu bi empanimfo bi num etu wo football ni mu na e ma hu se ye sports no abafom enti die ne ye betimi ayame sports na sa apagya enunti ne ye sore a ye kasa ne nyese ye tan obi enye se bia ye mpa obi asem ntina ye kasa na agwa edi se enye kromanum no o kasa ne apata ade bi ne ade ahye o we were party we nipa o we were support team we yen die sa ne ma no emoye hu. That is why we are on a crusade, and the crusade is that we will save Ghana sports. Binma ba baby called the freedom fighters no omayebi. This time around we are on a crusade, and the crusade ne say ye be save Ghana sports enunti no dia wu suro so obeka ne ye beka ye nsuro bia ye beka se ye no kura nko ade a ye mohu ye beka se de be ya ye football no e betumpon na akọ nanim ti da bia mekan maka cho se eye for the love of the game e ya agro no hu don't ya o Ricardo enye se bia ye num na ye de ene sore ane ye kasa na emum no e ya agro no hu don't ni ye kasa nti e bekoso ni akasa ni asom Ghana man ye nim se debi no omo be kae hu se yes boys be sorry ya omo amfa hu an show mumu omo sorry e be ye sports no eye ni ye nti we are on a crusade and we will save Ghana sports
na say we eye ntete ho no ye nya kura nko main issues ni so what you say and ye be save Ghana football no because e bia be ye biko and yes ye be ni say yes ye save Ghana football nti ye tran say ya na ye nsem amanfo stro so meka na ye de beka na amanfo nso hu sire no ma AC ko nti the crusader and ye starting one na me started the free ye Kumasi Asante Kotoko won say Kotoko ko ball game na ye na ye nim say o ma hye eto a o ha ne de na omodo mani e chirimu Tunisia na no ye nya kra de betima nya score le betima ma Kotoko qualify but amanasa and where performance Kotoko give ya and so any e bi kan referee assembly nsem but aside penalty na referee ne gitia Kotoko na betima ka say wa na obetima fa ho na de opeso de two penalty no so bia di bia opeso de two so bia wo de ato but Kotoko and live to expectation ball no ko ball no na nso any and sign reaction to the game na kasa na ye say
well Ricardo say wo hwe game no ene niema na nka Kotoko kom ni expect say ye behu de free Asante Kotoko team no honestly speaking ye hu na nka ye pese ye behu a game a nka Kotoko be kwa put up a fight even if they are on the losing side who lose mpa ka wo be ye bibi a kire say indeed mo buy na mo ba be kon ye players no antimi anye saade na amayen and me blame players ni bebre me ba honom the reasons Kotoko di lose ye ne be ba ni nyina mu this is the initial reaction. Me blame players ni bebree. Same way me blame coach ni nso bebree. Na mmom no majority of the blame no me dey call the doorstep of management. Players no, I'm not absolving them from the blame. Omo bejo mo fair share of it. But kese na de ebekọ e de ama management me nim say ya sha ase ya na enwura mu ne enko straighter.
Dentia me ye din a me tie ni say Yakobo football no management so my bibia so mo ye because say o pe say bonus o metia aduan papa amokọ amobedi wo hotels no me so mo di na agu akwan mako dina field ne so mo players ni coaches no mo de na akasa mbaye na team qualify o man timi anya sa ma team na qualify but o say blame na akasa na kwa management don't na blame na kwa management no
Ricardo the woman was saying na yeti ase ne say it is not always about sika. It is not always about the extrinsic motivation no the be free abontin beba no. Sometimes the intrinsic motivation is here, and with all the intrinsic motivation now one kasa wa motivate one cycle hu ni na wie no. One thing and so ebeba to bear ebeba to the fore the quality of the players no, the quality of your team omo a odi omo kosa no, how strong are they omo ahoden te sen ubetimi ahye team ni nyina momo all the sika memeti asesi a menya sure say o ma mi sika wo wi ase nyina say me ne Anthony Joshua na me ne nkokon a metimi ni Joshua akon da bi wan hwe ye bekume ya ma mi sika pa o but wan hwe ya ye de me fun na beba because ahoden no mentimi ni Joshua anko. It is not about mema osika there was here who say me on the side of management na ma sha ase make a cho no football any say winning tournament and yes Shatawale event away organize your Heroes Park and I say Ghana Music Awards the international Accra International Conference Center no ma sorry me Kobe and ma sorry aka say oh me Africa we be go efe ma me nko fanshe me coach be go efe me nko fanshe there be we project and a wo kwa akoye you need preparation in start Jenny ni duru ha yenko to players mra ne yenko fa coach bi mra ne yenka mom ne yenko there be o sha ase free baby no abuild ho ana de akọ eventually watimi akọ and from last year at the urban it was under this same management led by Uncle George Amoako and na mo kama ye nyina ye te se kotoko bebo the Confederations Cup wa bra ne nyina akọ meeting se nya de a Ghana ye the representative beko mo kama ye te asese kotoko beko Confederations Cup no because I was some common players no exposure na mo experience na yenko build here from there, of which it was a fantastic idea. You know, support here. Mukoye no, the exposure ne by, the experience ne by. In the first attempt, Kotoko failure, or want me progressive from the group. Even the year can say a year failure, no say all the to the previous years. From 2009, the last time I Kotoko ran into the group stages of the Confederations Cup now. I didn't see a Benya Kotoko say, oh, Rema about the group stages of the Confederations Cup and answer the Champions League. Any competition be about Africa. It's not a step up. Still, we are no say what me run to the group stages of the Confederations Cup. Again, I was all here. You build on your success now, Chucky, now they are called name, and in doing so, you had a coach. Mama Etia says, on yet up to the standard of the Champions League. You no main competition about Krum Hanum. I said the NC tier 1 and tier 2 no. Tier 1 no Kotoko etimi ewuram ekoko je. Tier 2 and also so you say Kotoko eboya to the semi-finals and sana Ashanti go there show my you my free. And na bibia e there the coach he was on course all year juma. Mu wie ya no dem qualify say yenko wuram na management dey by na mo say baby aye ko no de so. Enti no ye hia say you upgrade your technical area. Honti yema coach no kwatena se yema Zacharias Mra emefa team ne mfanko. Enti se umma mesa assurance ne se Zacharias ne ebefa team ne dia. Na no kirem se Zacharias eye coach a or that knowledge no or that expertise no. So betimi lead to the next level. Enti anything short of that it is not acceptable. Yenye nuntum na se coach ne model more former. I will not blame the coach. I will blame who are the appointing authority. No,
I don't know my blame coach Sika Kono Kakra because I saw me technical director because I say upgrade CAF Communities Cup into ɔmo kɔfa coach ebe no ɔmo technical director sɛ wuti ɔmo nsɛm nim ɔmo sɛ ɔmo ampa mo no ɔmo ka sɛ ɔmo technical director sɛ da bia ɔmo nu be kɔn madnya pa ho na sɛ matimi team no enso abo CAF Champions League no enti wa abra coach na ama no coach sika kono anye daru na antum no yem bi mu ɔno so kakra
me say we have it on tape bia na amanfo bi enya enti but me tie koka nsɛm a ɔkan sɛ sika kono the level na ye pese edru no sika kono enye the man what that expertise no to manage the team in the Champions League. Me say obi a onye fit to enough to be on the bench or you fit to be a technical director. No. And to say for technical director, they are now for technical director Emre CK ni mum. Now see CK na technical director. They say who coaching area honom no, who weekend ho. If that is the can they are ma the or from since CK major technical area honom na CK nkwatena soro honom of which ye bomacha technical director on my bench honom. And na the whole can say CK nya fit enough to be on the bench. And away in a free on them, to will be fit enough. And I'd never be on the side of the players. What say players no exposure and they quite common, no mania experience no. You say who say Ricardo. Players na come on more exposure and you no. Do was saying and your Macau to team. Do was saying on Maca or more able be. Where is the consistency? Where is the continuity? Because over Quaco GB and I make go and say as some son I make a choice. A project and yes o share project na se ane tu otine ma na ntu ye o share se free baby na wo building kakra ene ye bo Real Madrid din se ukọ Europa no team na in terms of the Champions League wajia say defend it. Madrid ababe in this modern era defending on 3 occasions Madrid and ansha se ene edrumre bi said ye kotoko akwa off Madrid call off after so omoji 2002 Champions League no Mekai Zidane volley be your body to net the man woman. Every one of you who say Madrid echo off. In between Madrid echo a lot of players, a lot of coaches. A motor the Amren near friend the Real Galactico era no. Madrid air bobola, only some more former world best Bemi and Sano Mujinem, Zinedine Zidane, or Figo, or Ronaldo, the phenomenon. Yes. At a point in time, Ecofa the world best defender in Cannavaro nearby. But nene man ko ye do baby na Madrid who said and ye man farmer ya pe quick fix na enye ye enti yenye den yempe coach obema a long term project and omunya president bia ye friend Florentino Perez no adika aba be ye biko and o sa bai obai na no the strategy was that let's get Ronaldo Cristiano, let's get Abrante FM Ricardo Kaka yemfa ne mra yankofa Xabi Alonso mfanemra yankofa Raul Abion mfanemra yankofa Alvaro Arbeloa yankofa Benzema mfanemra ni yanfo mo start project no project nyase ya sha ase ane 2 yo ye wie ye na first season enema ankoye Madrid free at the quarter final stage of the Champions League against Lyon and omo free we omo the second in the league no mo see there be yankofa coach bi obetimi adai atwa a project no so mra na omo Jose Mourinho bai Jose Mourinho bai no in the Champions League who say obuildi bibi e sha said you board the semi-finals etimi be G League ne yeden e de ma o mutomu say no Jose Mourinho aye du baby yenkwa yanim ene ekofa Carlo Ancelotti bai Ancelotti ni yenim ne djuma no aye wo AC Milan so the one the Champions League no on 2 occasions nti emfa Ancelotti mra Ancelotti bai na the one be Champions League no oh a project ene why den why and na Jurgen Klopp team a ye boni din Liverpool unse wanye wholesale changes obaye now obaye na mre bebre wo team nim players bebre wo ma na nei omo nya fit on bebo Liverpool but a gradual kakra na wo to bi wuram as management last season wo ko Confederations Cup wo to 13 players wo wie ye na wo say ko Champions League was out of 13 players of which emunson abaye status team ben proper team ben ye yes proper team ben aka so omo yesa untimi build na at the end of the day after just a season no adwiri foundation ni nyina agu no asa foundation once am build the foundation ni foundation na adwiri gu ye na no on prapra se mortar ni ade kura mfiri so wo se me say to blog ato aso o to duru soro bebu enti na ebu no ama kotoko ebe fie no enti we ye mra also management na betena se no mo take a sober reflection of omadwuma omaye for Asante Kotoko no mu hunu se indeed nanke ye wo pepa se ye beboa team no na momadwuma aye ne de entimi amoa dan say ye be sha ase ne ye be ten ne hu ne ye blame coach ne ye blame players no sa ne ma ne de meme nsoso on the day nanka coach no ebetimi aye bibi e de afa na dwuma na oye ye ne ho say players no ke bia wo ko an away game de wo advantage e de frifie na e ko ntino unko biemu bebre unko se me kwa kwa attack nko ye me masem otina chire kakra ntina in boxing kra no ese du ba bia na obi clinch na on sa no Mayweather defensive tactics or ball kakra no on no aso mu kakra sa coach ni koi okobiem e na mo boy na defeat na day aba this is not the time to start the blame game. And this management ne sha say press panic button ye me pam coach ne sa ne ma no emoa players no so omo so de kakra e wo mu nie Ricardo na e was players ehunu shirt na e hye wo mu no if the coach no kra na decide say I am going all out na say wo ye a player who see a kind man Asante Kotoko at this level also club na obo no na wotimi appreciate say club no it is a historical club amanfo bia be bi ko da bia Kotoko nyom no say wo ba ye bom panimfo bi din ye bom fun mudin ye boss Ekofi mudin Karim Zito na no ye ne kasa on Metro FM o say ono Karim Zito abokotoko etwem bate no da so this one faso because oba no bobo ni ye. So this was the perfect time for this generation of Kotoko players ne say enka omo emfa enye bibi emma omo ho. But it all boils down to the quality a ewo team nim. And then no na also management no appreciate no mu say your quality no ewo form until yen raise supporters expectations bebre to say the baby e de koto ye no. Timi the majority of the blame ni nyina no e call to the doorstep of the management. Obi beka say omo mobo but ma kire okwan a enka omo nso betimi aye because preparation no e sha say free off the field and san ye akọ field ne so nya field ne so nko an ye bobo no ye born in nchen kran san ye aba field ne so enti so hwe Florentino Perez madwuma o ma hyehye na o hyehye ne nchen no de ama coach no de aba field ne so team say ni team ni da ho a akono last season team a e boy no ohu sometimes say who ye team a yemfa politics any emotions enye team said ye me madwene ye me ni sa ne ma yemfa no nye team enu nti na me ye critical about what the management are doing no wakofa players aba ebia unze wakofa player ba the first season here adaptation period after first season na fe na obe adapt because from baby or day ban dia bewuram no second season na fe dia wahunu bibia nti honom no washa say dey ehunu team ni year or bobo no na understanding na ba between ono ne colleagues no wahun say we say no tie ekwan say ne fa so ye no etino ebe take shape from the third season ko no say afedie bibi take shape but after first season now say wapam na it doesn't help and a players ni bebre na emu so ho say Africa na Kotoko boy no no ma bobi da na there be eti first experience na anye ye no nke mo nto aso but ya sake omu nyina asa akofa new crop of players esa de aba nti esa na sa team we di koma Jose Mourinho kra na obe struggle say obetimi e de ahyehye team no and a one thing so say quick fix enye bad but in doing the quick fix na management we person mo kire no you go for the best the creme de la creme and to say oh nya the Florentino Perez way na yemani time now pe the Pep Guardiola way of quick fix na a Manchester City model no after just 2016-17 season na Pep Guardiola buy na no and o share ni team ni kakra no say me team we dey emwa me ma me nja mu nyina kwan no mo nko and going for the quick fix no okofa hwan Kyle Walker damre no the best right back in the Premier League you know okofa ne buy and Remo of France no kofa Benjamin Mendy the best left back in the French league Samre no ne Monaco akwa to the semi-finals of the UEFA Champions League and okofa ne buy and okofa Bernardo Silva ono so team no matimi abreaki that monopoly na PSG team no I establish our French league no ewuram it tells you about the quality and was our team no kofa ono so no de buy and no de ba be wura ni team nim and okofa Emerick Laporte ono so Sevilla team and no mo aye dominant ewo the Europa League no kan ho no de buy from Bilbao no de buy no de ba be shame honum no besi akan e de ema omo ntuti say o solidify natural normal team no say wa boba bia pampe but in doing so ni pono ansake old players no so o show mani mo honum a eye ni old guards na oju omo bo ho na na ebo ntu fra Fernandinho experience or wo mache obehwe Kevin De Bruyne experience o mache obehwe Raheem Sterling experience o mache obehwe Aguero experience and sometimes in doing the quick fix and no kire say two players now winning na to good there be and the management na media so bo kase na ho a yemfa emo wo mo. It's not about the coach, it is not about the players but the management.
And oka say e about management na ye back down to asema coaches ne kan oyo obi a wanti asema coach ne kan na yenti tiba na afiedi hu nkomo enti watie coach na asem watie asema wakande fa Kumasi Asante Kotoko ho say Champions League na mpani fo say upgrade nti omo kobo omo fa na ba no ono no hu say Kotoko team no Confederations Cup na ye omo level nti si omo ba Confederations Cup no ba besi akan and Ben o share ensema coach kan say Kotoko nyomo level any Champions League normal level any Confederations Cup asemi wa ne Canada nkakra ba kan no kre coach ya semi over ne say
well Ricardo me say kurum ha on ade a den pa e say obe kanokra kire nipa enu na nipa bi no no omompe no yes kanokra kire damfo ense damfo agro me Champions League draw ne bae no I am one person and me catch you say Kotoko na ye boy homra ne ye Kotoko ye so che to ano won so che to a ba bia won men to a in recent years and in recent history CAF tournaments aye bo kurum hanom no can e bi ne bo CAF Cup ne bo the Cup Winners Cup and ne bo Confederations Cup ye bo the CAF Champions League ye bo the CAF Super Cup so 5 trophies we nya to a team na GB pen Kotoko agi the non 2 pages and no magie but now man for disrespect to our team no oh ye team no ye Africa me no ye so your supporters me say Kotoko ne on the continent of Africa Saudi ko Europe me do mba tutu team ti say Benfica mo who say Benfica
they want for munga too much
oh that be Benfica and even crano metimi di na ba former do be Ajax until say who say he Ajax a ball semi-finals last season you be a surprise but Ajax a 4-time champions of the UEFA Champions League. When was the last time Ajax said oh Rema Babebo I qualify even from the group akonanim Ajax squad dey say 95 year ma me fan ko Benfica 62 ahon na Benfica no me strong sana Kotoko team na ba bedu no cry ni pampese ye beti okurum ha no ene nso na ekele Asante Kotoko no coach no waka no cry wo ma no waka no because Ricardo offer a 12 Sahel ma they've been consistent in the Champions League they be omo ba teams omo ko mani mekogine they be omo ba Kotoko kan net penfo ehin elali mo abra Kotoko eje ne Champions League tosu mienu na elali yibi o na elali age ba akopɛ because it 2 na elali share omo je na omo so beje it 3 nti Kotoko je mienu na elali wo ba ako and elali twam 8 it tells you say ya ka akire for the last 20 years at the Airban yen said the group stage of the Champions League Kotoko ewuramu dodo was saying ba akopɛ. That was in 2006. And a Kotoko team rem. And even at that time of Ram in 2006, no, check the squad and never honor. Those were the days and now Benya Michael Osei and Bapawamo. Ubenya Nana Hinduamo, Ubenya Goffred Yabua TV Tremo, Aziz Ansamo, Michael Asante. Those days, you check the quality and almost on the end, and you say no more just one season, you put them together. Opa ko back where work 2002 sa squad no bon se emba power bobi bon se abranti efe Nana Hindua na no bo nipa bobi TV3 bobi Aziz Ansam bobi Osebo atem she Joseph Henrich mo it tells you say samre no continuity by but untimi nkonkoda na unsore nka say one day matimani maso daye menye sikani bi abam na beye executive board chairman no or the me kwa kwaje yanya sa sometimes you must respect your opponents, know where you are standing, no set a realistic target and kanya ni se Kotoko fo aye disappointed Some set a realistic target say you better say for the Confederations Cup and kakra near the air build the quiet anima. Me sure say nka we kotoko support I'll be disappointed. Into Kadu, like the coach rightly said, no one wakano, the hard truth no wakano. Opa on me say yan stretchy argument no. In free kotoko. Yan fan ko West Africa. West Africa ye tip and fly ye shas ye no more ebo. Where are stationary stores omo in Nigeria? Oko omo way. Shooting Stars of Ibadan omo way. They are all missing. And then it is not about Menakani Binami you. Where is Accra House of Folk? Omo bomb home running the Continental Club Masters. Omo way. Oh, where is Asek Mimosa? Where is African Sports? Omo way. Where are they? You who omo? It is not because omo big team. So you are a big team, but and then the modern trends of football. If you are not following it, and then no na Sante Kotoko ya catch it no. See a person saba near redeeming your glory days, no not those days now. Ye shall say ye born de biya corner. I like baby your masha no consistently young ram near kobo, but ye qua young who say ye timuno, ya who are dini inti hanum near Becosuna de ya build the diaco. So shall say na de biya call with the target semi quaco gia ubia, obe banwa sabesaki, no banwa besaki, into debiano project no, obedia no abeguno, obedia no abeguno. Enu sa no emwa. I am not saying say sacking of coach emwa. Sacking of coach eyepa, but say oh sacking coach now at least in terms of the playing body there. It was a consistency bahonum. Accra Suffolk before some kwaji 2000 no. Obekaya CK Afrane ebe coachi omo bi. E di free onum no mo de sacking omo sama denum nyina ye bia. E build ya from 95 no e dey ba no. E na omo de sise team na until say 2000 Jones atoko few. Ebe fight dom kwaje Champions League. Until no sacking of coach there, I'm not against it. But in terms of players, Nejina will see a kind of there. At least majority of them are omu team ni match. Said the beya oma ball munti that understanding no honum. And no nebeti me at the aboy clubs no moving forward. It is not always about oh me na meson, me na see match. You see match, and no ne ene. And no na me ye bre no. Enti say o hwe pani anim na o kan se ma kire o kan no kra kire na o se o ye wo da ben me na manyini. But it is not always about the number of years you've spent. It is about how good you plan. And in my papa or the bed ye beto to akwa when betin abo enti and there it is the hard truth to know na coach no aka dia che omo no ba do say coach no so no kure ni nyame anim ni. That was not the platform also they can say asem. Match as men ne ya adwene say they all can hear no kure no. The platform no usually can't say it was bad because you don't say Sasem at a time a team na akolusu and at this time when na we your sign na odi team na nim duom koye enti adan na wo kro no na wonim sa niema we nyina wani kan anka ama supporters na anti na we raise man for expectations oh that is where I mean disappointment ewo eno de Zacharias wanya de ni so kan sa at that time obetwen ama pain ni na ba from no aba no aba explaining niema de akere supporters no supporters on omo to say ma ye ma ya ye no omo nam ya sa no omo tie omo say ye nya ma ya how a wonye ne be kasa no on how a be krokro no eno na be ma na ni age wo hu sa enti no ka ba ye no ka wie ye na no oh obe kasa very apologetic ye kono ne anim say ye kɔ ne akofa win na ba but niema nko yi ama ye enti no echitafo mo fa nchen next time bia no ye ba confederation mo ma support yen ye betimi ayeden akoye nim tinka wo yesa wie na confederation na sha ase na ekoye no na wo de sa wie na ayeden atum no mo mate ase enti ne Zacharias mesre no next time bia ne kasa no ma ne mra from but it all boils down to management. So oh high will be a PR is very important. The sort of communication about your team. And to the coach, no more fun on what was the orientation among the man. How are the casa or casa abontin? How did you manage it? Who's those near money? How are your communication department? No, Muna was manage all those in seminal. And in 70 be or cran and coach in the can, no. Bet me I can't abontin. But Mujani San as a coach, the man for guidelines because in your press conference, no, or can't ask them. It was with the Semtroni or can't ask them the chair, no. It is a coach. Mama Natia says, coach, you are the coach. But and your official platform, don't speak. I mean, sure say, coach, no, but kasa. I'm an only coach is Kasa de Bia, a Tioli Ghana Mokasa. But I ben what is a Tioli Ghana shows you, because and some training you or them not needing come on tape. Ye benya say line some trouble for me, be didn't come on. Zinedine Zidane, Madrid rumors be breba. But to Benyana, na press conference, I say, no, abano address a press conference. No. The hard questions, Mobusa, no, I express it. And you know, they should look at all those aspects. And make sure say moving forward, they're not a bit me at the Abua Santico to team.
Coach him say Kotoko level a Conversions Cup. And Penufo by and almost a be foul near the Wakabo Cup Champions League. Adena at that spot to catch home say that asem no more cano. And yasem papa. You go Kotoko no say about Champions League no. Ye Champions League club. Inti Muntiminka say upgrade in Jenya Mumfa. Muko jina the ball Conversions Cup now at Timoba. Mobile Conversions Cup.
Regado. Saza career in young. So ni baby free buy Ashanti good. What in some champion can find
champion can go for one on your own.
And I make us a champion catch him say, coach no buy no. Or be srene pay you man. Or be panic or say, or pay you man. Nani yere enyem sika ni ho ni ade. Nina is on record, a champion a kind yam kind. And no man the fan about as good. Nintino one man a contract as a coach into share. Oyi Tanasevich Eddie Edni Beshe on one man contract be a ordinary adwuma keke champion can say am say coach no onye coach eye ne ho kire no en say me na me ho kire me na say waba wo hu na adwuma oye wa Ashanti Gold na wo wonim say wo ankasa me say koto company mfo na atena so wo mokokuo ma ombeji atum say team na no ma hyehye no omunim say nye Champions League standard because who more champion confederation we now best players won ton omonko Kwame Bonsu Kwame Conte omonton nko Tunisia Esperance no ko e no omone eto a na rubbish shoulders entine tells you say baby a who players papa no ton omodi ko Tunisia onu omo na ekwa akopre ehonum na wo se ehwe Champions League no kran it is not always it is not only a to na na ebo only Esperance mu nyina na ebo what on who player papa na come Esperance na oji social obey odey into standard ne ndru ho waji atum say Esperance mo so cheo enti na wo players papa no beton omo de ama omo no ye ni anum na kotokofo ma Yakuba say onko Sudan no ne El Hilal Omdurman enko sign contract Zesco mu na mabi omo na ehefo nya Africa ya na wo ton players de ma we mu a onu ombebo dabi enti no sane ma ne de true but coach no no opa adwuma and indeed opa adwuma ne de obeje. To me, I will not blame the coach. I will blame whoever of us our coach, no, because I also work for coach or yet Champions League winning coach. It is not Zacharias. What is his record? Or no, then why in football? Obeje tier 2 and tier 1 no be able to baby in free or nebeshim no. Enuntino we up to the level I am confirm me coach Kotoko. No, entino some management no mono ya appointing authorities no. And yet the obi benya free muntin wo kwa akofa coach na mementi ase so sakisi ka ono age tier 1 na akofa de oje tier 2 dia masa Champions League asem ye kan it is not confederation nya gala enya top 2 ene ebebo G8 na ebo no kroma na bi wu yen share those days na me say Kotoko ye big na mo eje tournaments no look at the coaches na mo de omko Kotoko timi ko na akofa Middendorp etimi coach Hanover otimi ko South Africa mu no coach teams akese bebre Middendorp yenim no Ian Porterford mu yenim omodwuma omaye coach ya obaya no so pa benkwan Saint Evans Hans Dieter Smith the don ball confederation final no
coach abenkwan
yes those times you who abrofo coaches papa na don ba kuruma ba share in the last 5 6 7 8 years at the urban share the kind of coaches are Kotoko appointed Kotoko appointed Ebomens
yeah
Ebomens before coming to Kotoko or a coach papa ben no afie we no akwa coach ya no Maso Akwadu Kotoko no be building the CV after Kotoko bra papa ben na Maso Akwadu abo in football you want the young can krenchire you say can krenchire damfo and say damfo agro Didi Dramani before coming to Kotoko no coaching ma under 17 ma Oba Kotoko is successful, all right. but the level no oye Africa coach and coach at the continental trophy no enti ne yepese ye fa ne call continent ne so kwaji bibidia we must start making the right appointments ne ye ba eniema ebe bo mo matimi dia ye adwuma no Ricardo yem fama wo mo sa niema no na me sure say ye ya ebetimi aboa ye clubs na wokurumanum no but da bia ye matrama kwa dia matrama kwa results na abenya because who ye bia hwe o ma menye bi we ma me fama ne hwe so obetimi a okono antimi a no afa ne sa no aba no abetena fie ni esu da bia ne akoni aba beboka sa enti no sa niema na so mo hwe say project na wo build dia unu say si anu ye pese ekoje Africa yempe coach a ye ginidi ye nim say all the experience in the long term first season of free e be na to aso hwe Accra folk and Tugbe afede omo hunu say Tugbe bae yen kind the number of coaches awasake Tugbe bae or before say Tugbe fine na pa akosi Febin enne wo ho pa akosi Febin koi omo ko fa coaches bebre bae in recent times kura na me nkom achi bebra Kanichi Yashuashi aba Duncan aba coach Benejene na mukakra as interim Ediansa enso ye interim Polo aba Wellington aba Koyo onso ba omso top players Frank Luta onso aba eko but ene omotena ase na omahu se no ye hia coach a obetimi ama ye project ni enko to this direction no mo de ama Kem Grant so on say Accra folk yen share competition bi aso but tutu say science na e ba na e dey positive enu che say wa sha se a all build bibi so mo man time no to aso a obetimi de akọ at least all build players no ba enti ho na wo say kotokofo ya dey ehwe sa na ma nso edi free it is not always about yenkofo obi mra oh ya ti say coach ya ba be ya bibi papa ba ko ha yenkofa ne mra masa and the football no yenye ne sa oh yeah now the plan papa e dey atu akwam now dey aye ba say ukofo bia kekese obia se or the Zacharias masa basa ba bia kotoko adru no nye Zacharias nsem eti whoever will meet that idea no they should bow down their heads in shame eni kwan so bia beka coach asem we your management member na so kan coach asem a you should sack yourself before you talk about the coach
enti na ye free kotoko ne abia ya ba Evrem Grande no omo ka se coach no odi no se fatase e pam no ono mo ya adwen
oh unze o hwe me nsem a meka ni nyina na ni nyina di kosi se coach ne die no kure ni nyame animu ni onye coach also coach kotoko onye the level of kotoko there be na mom no the appointing authority wo a wo kofa asa coach ne de ne ba e se o me lead kotoko no won so wadi kotoko abro e di asanteman hwamo enti si ye ja coach ne kwan dia na se wo sa pani no won so no wanye adwuma pa ama yen because ne o coach bia ode ball confederations cup after 9 years ne nwura group stages da ode kotoko rem wo se sa coach ne nya ade we na ya ade na se we aba no aba be fail na wo pam ne dia masa na so sake ho ya do sa amre na wo se people must stand up no so take responsibility for their actions say me na me take decision way it is not always about sacking management we nko aba yi mo sha say free my class e mo sake no okofa luga rozich bai o sake luga e ma luga koe okofa ablodi besom kakra frimpon manso nso besom kakra we mu nko ai say 4 coaches e no medical abo mu din okofa stipulak bai na ai say 5 e na onso so besuso mu a after one attempt wapa no nso ko pa akosi Febin e bai no nso abe the 6 coach no nso so bai within some short time disagreement no ma ya no nso so afiro no ko CK by 7 8 within 3 years what serious club no yes aniema we enti we your management member na wo this answer munu na masa o se nso so ye ka bibi kirew enye da bia na ye be saki coach mo fa coach a mo nkope coach papa e say Zacharias wo contract till 2022 3 years contract nti wo saki na o check ni sika na o di ni nyina ama no wakọ enti se wo saki no na wo be man compensation amna ko no you have woefully caused financial loss to the institution Asante Kotoko. Enti masa me de me gitum says Zacharias the modern mono onye Asante Kotoko level. But the appointing authority must also take responsibility. No mo so nya honorable enough no mo kan che say ya ye adwuma ne bi. Masa be ma be ye bi wa ma me ni nyina. Enti no we stand together we fought together. Collective responsibility. And yes, say coach nene enko. Yeah, man, me sacrifice an individual. And yet, the whole institution in Yania feeling. And as management, we are sacking the coach. We are sacking ourselves. Young called the Egyptian president, no, that FA president, no, ni way ni bi. After that failure, no, munyaye, or the AFCON nano, or say massa, me the medjuma to ho, coach, me you a D. In Timpani Fonds, you take responsibility, Neja, Ubi uncle.
In 2 years, company, now, dear Nimuzian go for Catos, Zacharias and Bra, all Pamona announce or resign honorably because me and yes, answer and some now for Hundi, San City, Yeba. Abraham Gandhi and so, and yet a cabin Jim. Abraham Gandhi to a bit Juma Gana Bagana any day. When I am blasters, I was not the fat Eddie Ayajuma. Kakrabi on Abraham Gandhi and so
Abraham are funny, but women times Abraham are funny. No, the days now, the coach blasters in the trim. Abraham, we don't need those things at this time. But Abraham so Bekasa because they know. What's not say he feels that Ghana we don't have a coach.
Your coach goes up here.
Why? Goes up here. Is he a coach?
I saw a blast of a coach.
And I'm saying, hey, who said the man in the situation on Kusiapia? Or to honor not because of his competence, not based on footballing reasons, but purely on political grounds. And the man is dangerous. National team Biana, yeah, the politics and the fuck coach, you know, and in a matter baby. And the Bema Avram, I can't do all kind. Say about Koye na Avram Tinase. No boom compo Henechi. And then the brow babo Ghana Hanum, the Jumo Babaye. Avram, under Avram, yeah, the man saw the ball AFCON final Bako. But AFCON final yet achievement in the history of Ghana football. Yeah, born night. Or
Sansi or the semi final tournament Biokoibia, Jono or Henry Newmo, Henry Newmo, or Ghana, or they can't once more.
Ricardo, and some news and some necessary. A laughable. Obi Obaka say Avram Bagana Biano, none performance no was Rubiano, Mr. Sinipako, who then Pako Nimbom or Nim Ghana football in history. Baby, a free bano. Eh? Young fat the recent history of Ghana, your football from 2006 a day bano. You qualify for a first World Cup, the free on the mobile. That time they been half kwa could be a near boy semi final that your boy final that. And yet Avram the baby one will be a. And the man anki ehe ni mun say Avram befa a team no in 2015 what me the akwa bought the finals and that final cry was very disastrous and very disappointing on the part of the coach. Only did two penalties and you have your best penalty taker say yeah try akwa bought last hour. Now as a coach which na hon mama inexperienced player say bugu. What did he do? Then what me the Sam ready him say yeah ball tournament in your penalty one boy was the da you only did 2 now no man me ball man ran no me ball no for confidence in sanya day and I what's na che on chain no me ball last hour and the day ya na free and some it is what akwa finals what we expect is the next year no you build on your success now o chalky you know now they are going what did Avram do at the next AFCON no semi-finals now they call a free. And on that score, he didn't perform. And Opa, yen share qualifiers a boy from the World Cup qualifiers. World Cup qualifiers for 2018. A year as a result of Avram or no one kasa ne tactical ineptitude. And I'm young queen. Where Ghana national team ni bedru baby man be say aben kofo bi no majapade. Entino obi ti say ajiman bedu bebe to. Or that crow him say be man collab. As a moja him say me da cry be man call up. The day you him say me da cry be man call up. Plus baby e free akwa mo onim say e den be man call up. Inti say ye hu say international break ba pe. Satam sem trofo unya nte hwi o ba otimi ye Ghana call up ne de ba. E be ba nso na dem. Na dem. Players be no be discover them ayin. Because coach dey ukwa o legacies ni bi ye say. Oh oba no dey discover player we di mai. Kwesi apia nei mimi gitum say the modern monso ani tactically or ye bankrupt wasa but unim say u Christian himself ye wo atrubi wo hono ma Christian atrubi wo hono ma no oni ye nim no eye kwesi apia ne cost scouting ni yi ni bae se player be big team now man in the debut on discover you Patebo Atletico Madrid now friend ba on discover no there be obo Atletico Madrid there bo week out one friend and non just what discover player on discover will be but shekwanya ko si apia timi fa so ko yi atwede ne bre even Thomas Japan ekwan ba bi o tini na ma ko yi Thomas Japan sa ne ba ma yehu se Ghana or winger be a friend Thomas Japan. Those are the near my the Bema Kusiapia. But Usha Avrama, who are the players Abacas or Diombre? Yeah, because 2018 World Cup, it was Avram Neshas. Your first match, and then Kawasi Timi win one against Uganda. Uganda near the board draw. You struggle to get a draw against Uganda. Those were the things. Near struggle, see an Egypt Bebo, Egypt Bogana 2-0 near. Enti dan man ha Abraham ba be no kroma ne de yesere no wawu a o mana ninka na menam yenim so free Ghana no ko India ho no amfa ma no za North East FC na ese ya samoja anko no ho Abraham ko ne nam ho bia amfa ene ne wa ba obetna fie o ti kroma nam he didn't value the job na no ye no unze we coach at least bibini a mayehu se adwuma na wo ye no wo buo bi e wo do bi de ma adwuma na wo ye no. But one shows how Dono Manajumana or Yeno. And you better league you so Krumanum, not Sky Sports, no air panditry on them. And dear, not a yamija, I am knowing me cry, say, a Sky Sports no. Who's a intro head coach Ghana national team? You're trying to former Chelsea, former Portsmouth manager. He didn't value the job, none or Yeno. He had no respect for your local league, no. And Tiabebo League or Krumanum, Nasi, a tournament near to me, just a single goalkeeper. And the nekwa akoda go mu a onumpo no kwa okotena bench onkonko bobia it tells you papa na dwuma na no ye no na nya dwuma ye dwuma say obebo Ghana football no enti me de Avram die whoever obeka se yemfa Avram ra kroma bia no na oni o man ho do ana se Ghana football ne na koma so megitum se Ghana enei no your coaching crisis pa because se ko si apia timi tina ho ka se yempam na assistance ne ma ne tina ho a na Ghana ya ba fom but Avram de yesre no on fana sam ne ntwene ba bi kakrama yen what is his age and Avram odi mfie sen Avram is over 60 years Avram wa yemre ogina okro bi say Avram pa ne modern trend of coaching tactics ni ade no Avram wa chire
Oscar Tabarez mom coach Uruguay national team.
How many years now Oscar Tabarez or that na Uruguay? What watch it. He's still on the job. Or yeah, Juma Usua de
crutches ni now.
But who's a Ogusua or yeah, Juma no on what nephew? The only difference nene say Oscar Tabarez mo yenyi na di ma ne nkot na fie. But wo de no tifie na yekofa waba. One on the difference ne wo no say Oscar Tabarez atifie a menya sure say with at this present state ombenya sa yin say yekofa Oscar Tabarez na ba. No. And that is the difference between Ononi Avram Juma na Obaba and Avram. Yes, Rena. Even in his prime as a coach, Grano achievement, Papa Ben or Timmy Man. Or the Chelsea ball finance. Every year, dear Papa Ben or Timmy one boy. In yes, Rena Avram. Well, what Oman can remember. Say Israel crown or more crisis. Israel national team to fear. Now, Benny ammonia the H4 muscle. Tienia is a Uncle Boan Israel mine. Me sure say Baboa.
Aha, and I did a assemidi can and subiti. Your bar, say the assembly tiano near Becca, and expect some more beba. Ye nyanya yadin say Magana football no good, and them need the crusader the beer at beba, because then same you ha is your crumwas and sinipina yan can, a best in Ghana football tea. Ye conemo yacono, the crusader or last words na ve yanko. Oh, my last words I make and say, Uti and Semna and Semni be on my ABR. Of this you expect more because if you want man no bear she crash say. And my mom fan say e bia ye town will be yen town will be yen will be our home. Journalists, our first loyalty is to the citizens. And one thing about journalism is about reporting the truth. And to say no crown quantity and never had to be they should brace themselves say ye beka no said ye etiena no. Na ni nyina ye kan no ye wi an maka cho say papa so apa ne ngoma so no enye nanum ode na emom ni yie mu ntira. It is still for the love of the game. Jeneha, any Jumadi is name say on subscribe to the channel. Make sure so subscribe it. No notification bell so that be a more when Subenya when I say dear. You be Ghana football not tumpong, you be bomb machi. na bibia enso yen cameraman ne Jones Afran the Menga man where we were see mu no nanim a wotwa video na menim so no bi want to kwade abata ne ha na di asem bi kan bi si nyampa e beto aso ne de more enso aba